guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Xochitl. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with some more videos. Today I wanted to do a chit chat get ready with me kind of very quickly. This is like me on the go. I've actually got somewhere to go and I just want to show you my quick makeup look. I did a 15-minute makeup look using drugstore products. This is my other maybe like high-end products that I reach with a mix of drugstore if you want to see. So let's just get into it because we don't have that much time. So first what I'm going to do is take my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and I'm specifically using the Soft Ochre Paint Pot today because the concealer that I'm using, which I've just been obsessed with right now again, is the Flower Beauty Light Illusion. I've been using the concealer and the foundation because I love them, so creamy, so luminous, but the concealer is really creamy. It's not really a matte finish. So for the eye area, which I usually tend to use my concealer for, it makes it crease a little bit. I am going in with some NYX HD finishing powder, and I'm just setting that MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. So that's why I'm doing that today. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, which I can totally skip, but can I really? I'm gonna go in with the shade Burnt Orange, and this is my Sigma E35 brush. Love this one for like a quick look to really get that definition into the crease. And I actually mentioned in my last, was it my last video? Or the video before, I believe it was, I forgot which video. But I was just talking about, do you feel like you need an actual eyeshadow base, like a MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot? Especially maybe with like all these like full coverage mattifying concealers that are coming out. Because a lot of the times, especially when I'm doing a drugstore makeup tutorial, I'll just use a full coverage concealer because I personally don't have a drugstore affordable friendly eyeshadow base at the moment that I really love that'll give me the coverage like a Soft Ochre Paint Pot or like that concealer will do, because I specifically want to like carve out that eyelid. So a concealer works, but do you feel like it creases? Or I don't know, I just feel like sometimes my eyeshadow stays on just as well. But I feel like I kind of want to do a wear test, not today since I obviously already did my soft ochre paint pot, but I kind of want to see the difference, maybe one eye using just a concealer and the other eye using the Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I'm going to go in with a little bit of that orange soda and tempera, and I'm just going to put this on my lid just to brighten it up a bit, but I don't want it like too white. I'm gonna add a little bit more of burnt orange on top. And I totally could just skip this, but no. I mean, it is, what time is it? It's like the afternoon, it's like 1:30, 2 o'clock, like 2 o'clock. It's like an awkward time, but it's usually around like 3-ish we like to go eat places, like Mexican dinner time, early dinner time, 3:30, 4 o'clock, because then 1, nobody's there. And then 2, like you're kind of good for the day. You know, you ate early, you digested, and you can have a little snack afterwards. So, and this just, we don't see as many people. I've already pre-prepped my face with my L'Oreal Glow Lock Primer. It's all the way over there. But I'm going to go in with the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Foundation. I've been loving this so much. And I'm going to go in with my Beauty Blender since I cleaned this one right now. My Flower Beauty sponge is not clean at the moment, but I love it. I'm going to use it probably in my next video where I do like kind of first impressions, but that one I already talked about because I couldn't wait to use that one. The Flower Beauty sponge. I picked up mine at Walmart, and I think it's like a Walmart exclusive right now. So, but the Beauty Blender is always a fan favorite. This is like, I think that Flower Beauty is like the closest to me liking to like that Beauty Blender feeling, just like a little bit chunkier. And this one is just so glowy. I think somebody mentioned it was my beauty haul, like, oh my god, what foundation, what bronzer, we're about to use that. Basically what that makeup routine for that, probably most stuff I'm gonna use, especially like my face stuff. So this one for dry skin, like I just put it away for a bit since, you know, you gotta test out all these other foundations, but loving it again, probably even more Like I loved it a lot. Like it's great, but I don't know what. Maybe like I've just been prepping my skin a little bit better. Mario Badescu facial spray. I have the rose one. That one just, oh, there's other ones too. They have a lavender, have like a cucumber. But oh my god, I feel like that makes a huge difference for dry skin, especially before applying any like face products. Now I'm gonna go in with the Flower Beauty Concealer, the Light Illusion Concealer, and we're just gonna go in under the eyes. I'm not gonna worry about too much of highlighting. Just want to get something on the face. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. So creamy. So if you have really dry under eyes, I think you're gonna really like this. I have dry skin. My under eyes, however, can handle, you know, like a good mattifying concealer, but the creaminess, like just all over for like the face, you're gonna do it to foundation, go for it. It also doesn't crease. Like, what am I trying to say here? It also doesn't crease because I have a really bad problem with creasing. So if it's like too hydrating creamy, that'll usually happen. But this, ooh, so good. Just makes me feel so healthy, luminous. Gonna go back in with the NYX HD finishing powder and just going to set underneath my eyes. Ooh, and I can just time myself how fast this is going. And then I'm just gonna add some on top of my brows just so like my brow pencil won't be too creamy gliding on, since foundation is extra luminous. So I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. And we're just gonna do the brows real quick. I need to get that Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil for like quick times like these. And I'm probably just gonna speed through the brows and I'll be right back because brows are always boring. At least to me. Let me know if you actually like watching people do the brows. So good thing I bought another brow pencil because midway through my brows, mine finished up. But luckily I had just purchased a new one at Ulta. And when you're in a hurry and you're trying to savagely open your new eyeliner as well, we're gonna go in with the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Good thing I bought a new one of this. Okay. And I'm doing a wing, of course. Sorry, I can't talk while I'm doing my wing, but going out, we're doing lashes because it's mariscos. All right, well, luckily Frankie takes like 20-minute showers, so this will equal the amount of time probably it'll take me to do my makeup. I'm just cleaning off my lashes. These are my Ardell Wispies because I'm going to prepare them with the glue, so while it dries I can do my bronzer. So I like to kind of just put it around a brush to kind of give it that like form, roundness around my eye, just so it'll go on a little bit easier. Just like to hold it for a bit. But in general, I feel like Ardell Wispies, Demi Wispies, the lash band is like just so thin. It's so easy to work with. I've definitely worked with lashes that are a little bit harder to kind of like maneuver. But once you've kind of worn them in, like your jeans, you know, they just kind of take form to your eye. So I'm just adding some dual lash glue, and we're gonna let that dry while I go ahead and start doing my bronzer so we can save some time. Going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is my bronzer, one of my favorites. Mine is in the shade Rosewood, and honestly, I freaking love it so much. Every time I wear this out, not every time, but usually if I wear this out and someone's like, oh my god, what bronzer are you wearing? It's usually this one. So I was like, I need to use this on camera more because I freaking love this bronzer. If you don't have it, you need it. You need this in your life. Whatever color, and I like that they have different colors, so I feel like this one just suits me pretty well. And I'm using the Colourpop. This is their angled brush. So by the time I do my bronzer, my eyelash will be ready to go. And it was weird because I remember this last video that I did, products I used up, I had actually worn my makeup for work. So I put my makeup on like, it was done by like 7:20 a.m. and by the time I had eaten dinner, I was ready to film the video. 13 hours later at 8 p.m. at night, I just refreshed my face with some Max Fix Plus, just dabbed my beauty blender around, maybe added a little bit of extra foundation on the areas that were kind of missing because I don't, as you see right now, I didn't set it with powder or anything. I've just been liking doing that. Keeps me luminous longer. And then I already had mascara on though, so I put my lashes on top. top. I know some people like to do mascara and then lashes. I personally, it's just hard for me. I don't know, it's weird because I feel like my lashes are too much like in the way that it was just, I had to do it multiple times. It just was not working for me. Let me know. I prefer to put my lashes on and then, you know, kind of blend it in with mascara. Let me know what you guys prefer though. So I'll go in with my tweezers. I'm just gonna add this on. To like pinch through with my tweezers and with my fingers just so I can feel and make sure everything's down. Once again, the other lash is gonna kind of let it form a little bit, and then we're gonna go in and add that lash glue. So far, I ended, before I did my brows, it was like going on 7 minutes maybe. Then I did my brows, and then maybe for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes probably, because I had to open up another new brow pencil. I always like to make sure to get enough glue. But so far it's been like 14 minutes and we're almost done. Whenever you get the lashes on and the face is pretty much done, we just gotta do blush. So while we wait for that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my favorite Flower Beauty blush in the shade Peach Primrose. If anybody is sick of me using this blush, buy me a new one then. Although I have plenty of other ones, but don't complain. Buy me a new one that you want to see me use. This is just my freaking favorite, and how about you try it and then you'll understand why it's my favorite. But that's for first impressions. I did buy another peach blush. It was the Rimmel one, but we're gonna you'll see that one soon, so you won't see the Flower Beauty one in my next makeup tutorial. For my highlight, since my lashes are still drying, using an OG that, well, not really OG, but you know, it's limited edition. I don't think it's around anymore. Dose of Colors, a DesiKaty collaboration with Dose of Colors in the shade Fuego. This one I was wearing in my last video too. Been loving it. Ooh. Just catches the light. Oh, okay. Love it. Oh, just around. My nose is already shiny. Luminous. Add a little bit here. Our lashes are almost ready to go. And now we just need to do our lips. And I combed my hair already. And then I'll just kind of dab that down with my beauty blender. And we'll make sure that it meshes in with everything else once we spray with Fix Plus. So much better. Like, you look glam. I barely did anything with the eyes, but the lashes just bring it all together. Oh my god, we're almost done. So the lipstick is the only thing I'm going to switch up from what I've been doing, what I did in my haul video. So I'm going to take the Colourpop collaboration with Iluvsarahii in the shade 951 to line my lips. And I can't decide on my lipstick. These are my go-tos. This is the Galactic Matte Lip Paint. And then my other one is the Kat Von D Ludwig. Oh, can't decide. I think these both look good. Comment down below which one you would use. Let me show you a swatch. I mean, maybe I can wear one first half of the day and the other one the second half of the day. But I love these both with like a nude lip liner. Ooh. So definitely Galactic is a little bit more peachy, and then on top here we have the Kat Von D. I think I'm really feeling the Kat Von D just because I've been, I don't know, yeah, just because I've been using the Galactic a lot. We'll see which one lasts through Mariscos. Make sure it's not on your teeth. Good choice. Okay, let me change real quick and I'll be done. Spray my face, do my lashes, I'll be done. I am now going to go ahead and take my Milani highly rated mascara and we are going to blend our lashes, fake lashes, and our real lashes together. So just lightly pressing that under, just especially if you got any like makeup powder or eyeshadow on them, you can't really tell. Also, I put on earrings today, And my new top that I got at Old Navy. Everything in stores was 50% off. I think it ended today, the 20th of April though. However, next sale, I really like this top. It's got like a little cinch at the bottom. And I just, you know, I need some more color in my life. I need to not wear a black. But then also I was like, let me put some earrings on, comb my hair. Because I know Megan was telling me, it's like, girl, you need to put some accessories on. I was like, I know. My mom always tells me the same thing too. So I was like, all right, how about we just do the earrings? Because then that way I don't feel like I need a necklace. Also, I feel like I just need to get more accessories in general. Let me know where are your favorite places to buy accessories. I know I love Francesca's. That's about it. If you know any good online places that you like, because I don't have time to shop, so I can use that. I was gonna go to Francesca's, but then they were closed. Apparently they close at 8 p.m. on a Friday. I was like, excuse me, I need to shop. I went ahead and sprayed my face with the Max Fix Plus, especially before I did my mascara. And then I set my face, my makeup so it would last with my Milani Make It Last setting spray. But that is my completed look. Honestly, that took me 20 minutes and basically the entire time that it took Frankie to take a shower. So all good. So I'm ready to eat some mariscos now. However, I think I'm gonna regret wearing this nice new shirt because I'm a messy eater, so I might end up changing this. I'm not sure. Do we want to risk it? I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this quick glam going from Hot Mess Express to, you know, a little bit more presentable in 20 minutes. Let me know if you guys enjoy these videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. We're gonna vlog because we made it to a Mariscos.
Oh, what?
And Frankie said if he was featured on my stuff more that I would blow up. Is that true?
Give the people what they want.
We shall see. So like this video if you want to see more of Frankie on the channel and make his ego bigger.
Some good shit.